Speak, listen, hub.
Today, you'll learn useful real-life English phrases about traveling, hostels, and adventures. These are phrases that native speakers really use, like talking about lucky charms, planning trips, or even funny things like people snoring in hostels. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to use them confidently in your own conversations. Hey, are you Yumi?
Yes, and you must be Emma. Nice to meet you finally.
Same here. I'm so excited about this trip.
Me too. I never traveled with someone new before.
Don't worry, we will learn a lot together.
I heard about an app called Trip BFF. Have you used it?
Yeah, it connects travelers who want the same vibe.
That's cool. But do you think it's safe?
Safer if we meet in person first, like today.
True. And we can talk about money, too.
Yeah, like who pays for what? Boundaries are important.
And travel styles. I like slow mornings.
I like sunrise hikes. We'll balance.
Do you plan everything before traveling?
Not really. I like to be flexible.
In Japan, people often plan in detail.
Oh, really? Like making a schedule?
Yes, sometimes even the minute.
Wow, that's super organized.
But I can also try freestyle travel.
And I can try a little more planning. Deal.
That way, we learn from each other.
Exactly. Travel is about balance.
Also about patience.
And about funny surprises.
Like when the bus goes the wrong way.
So, what did you pack?
Clothes, camera, and a small rice cooker.
Wait, you brought a rice cooker?
Yes, I like to eat rice every day.
That's actually genius. What about you? I brought hiking boots and instant coffee.
Coffee is your rice.
Exactly. I can't live without it.
My mom said always pack chopsticks.
Really? That's smart.
They don't take space, but they save money.
You can eat noodles anywhere then. So, how do you usually spend on trips?
I save first, then make a budget.
That's smart. I sometimes overspend. Oh no! On what? Souvenirs. Too many magnets.
I buy snacks instead of souvenirs.
That's cheaper and tastier.
Yes, but my suitcase gets heavy.
Oh, snacks as souvenirs. I like that idea.
People love it in Japan.
In the US, we usually buy t-shirts.
T-shirts last longer than chocolate.
True, but chocolate makes people happy fast.
Can I teach you a Japanese word?
Yes, please.
Tabi means travel.
Tabi, like tabi socks?
Yes, socks for travel in old Japan.
That's so cool.
Now you teach me English slang.
How about wanderlust?
Wanderlust?
It means a strong desire to travel.
Like I have wanderlust.
Exactly.
I like this word. It feels free.
What food do you want to try first on the trip?
Street food, like tacos.
Oh, yes. Tacos are everywhere in the US.
In Japan, we don't have many taco stands.
Really? But you have ramen stands?
Yes, ramen, soba, takoyaki.
Takoyaki is the octopus balls, right?
Yes, crispy outside, soft inside.
That sounds amazing. What street food do you love? Funnel cake at fairs?
Funnel cake? Like a cake in a tunnel?
No, it's fried dough with sugar.
Do you carry a safety item?
Yes, a whistle on my backpack.
Oh, that's smart.
What about you?
I carry a small alarm that makes loud sound.
Oh, like a pocket siren?
Yes, exactly. I also keep emergency money in my shoe.
In your shoe? That's clever.
Yeah, no thief will check there.
I put mine inside a hairbrush.
Whoa, a money hairbrush? That's new.
Secret agent style. Do you like trains or buses more?
Trains. They are fast in Japan.
Oh, yes, the bullet train.
Shinkansen. Yes, 320 kilometers per hour.
Whoa, that's faster than my car.
And it is very quiet inside.
That's so different from New York's subway.
Crowded, right?
And sometimes smells like pizza.
Pizza smell on the train. Funny.
What's the strangest train snack in Japan? Dried squid. Oh, wow, that's a strong smell. Do you use apps for traveling? Yes, Google Maps is my best friend.
Same here, but sometimes it lies.
Yeah, your destination is here, but it's not.
Exactly. I also use Duolingo.
Oh, for learning languages?
Yes, I practice English every day.
That's why your English is so good.
Thank you. What apps do Americans use for travel buddies?
Trip BFF, couch surfing, sometimes meetup.
Couch surfing? Sleep on someone's couch?
Yup, for free sometimes.
That sounds scary, but also interesting.
Did you ever make a mistake while traveling?
Yes, in France, I said merci in a wrong way.
How did you say it?
I said mercy like English.
Oh no, that changes the sound.
People laughed, but they were kind.
That's sweet. I once bowed in Italy.
Bowed? Like Japanese style?
Yes, and the man looked so confused.
That's adorable.
Cultural mistakes make funny memories.
And stories to tell friends.
Exactly. The best souvenirs are stories. Do you like mountains or beaches more?
Beaches. I love the ocean sound.
Nice. I'm more of a mountain girl.
Why mountains?
Hiking makes me feel strong.
That's cool. In Japan, Mount Fuji is famous.
Have you climbed it? Yes, once. It was hard, but beautiful.
Wow, I want to do that one day.
You should. Sunrise on top is magic.
That gave me chills.
The beach gives me the same feeling.
Maybe we try both on this trip.
Where do you like to stay when traveling?
Hostels. They're cheap and fun.
I never stayed in a hostel.
Oh, it's like a big sleepover.
With strangers?
Yeah, but usually friendly ones.
Do people snore?
Yes, sometimes a whole orchestra.
That sounds hard for sleeping.
Earplugs help a lot.
Do hostels have kitchens?
Most do. You can cook rice there.
Then my rice cooker can stay home. Do you believe in travel luck?
A little. In Japan, some people carry omamori charms.
Oh, like Lucky Charms?
Yes, from temples, for safe journeys.
That's so cool.
What about America? Any travel luck?
Some people knock on wood.
Knock on wood? Why?
To stop bad luck.
Interesting. In Japan, we don't whistle at night.
Why not?
It's said it calls snakes or ghosts.
Okay, I'll never whistle at night again. Where do you dream to travel one day?
Iceland. I want to see the northern lights.
Wow, green lights in the sky?
Yes, it looks magical.
My dream is Morocco.
Ooh, for the markets?
Yes, colors and spices everywhere.
That sounds like a movie scene.
I want to ride a camel too.
That would be epic.
What if we do both together?
Northern lights and camels? Perfect combo.
Travel bucket list unlocked.
So, ready for our adventure?
Yes, I feel excited and calm.
Same. We learned a lot already.
About money, food, culture, and snacks.
Snacks are important travel tips.
And also trust and balance.
Yeah, I think we'll make a great team.
I agree. Travel partners, right?
Travel sisters.
I like that.
Okay, let's pack the last things.
And start the journey.
Adventure, here we come. Now it's quiz time.
What item did Yumi pack for the trip that surprised Emma? A. Hiking boots. B. Instant coffee. C. A rice cooker. D. A travel pillow.
3, 2, 1. Time's up.
Correct answer. C. A rice cooker.
Number 2. What does the English slang word wanderlust mean? A. A love for sleeping. B.
a strong desire to travel. C, a type of food. D, a lucky charm.
3, 2, 1. Time's up.
Correct answer is B, a strong desire to travel. 3. In Japan, why do some people avoid whistling at night? A. It wastes energy. B. It is considered rude to neighbors. C. It might call snakes or ghosts. D. It brings bad weather.
3, 2, 1. Time's up.
Correct answer C. It might call snakes or ghosts.
Boom! Great work! Practice more, shine more. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.